Lily is an 8-year-old girl who lives in a cozy house in a small town. Her life is filled with simple, joyful moments that make each day special. Let's take a peek into a typical day in Lily's life. Morning routine. Every morning, Lily wakes up to the sound of her alarm clock at 7 a.m. She stretches her arms, yawns, and hops out of bed. After brushing her teeth and washing her face, she puts on her school uniform. Downstairs, her mother has prepared a delicious breakfast of toast, eggs, and orange juice. Lily enjoys this time with her family, chatting about the plans for the day. By 8 a.m., Lily is ready to leave for school. She walks with her neighbor and best friend, Emma. They chat about their favorite cartoons and upcoming school events as they stroll down the tree-lined streets. School day. School starts at 8:30 a.m. Lily's favorite subject is science because she loves learning about plants and animals. Her teacher, Mrs. Brown, makes the lessons fun with lots of hands-on activities. Lily also enjoys reading class, where she can dive into exciting stories. At lunchtime, Lily and Emma sit together and share their snacks. Today, Lily has an apple and a sandwich, while Emma has some cookies. They giggle and exchange bites of their treats. After lunch, they play on the swings and run around the playground until it's time to go back to class. In the afternoon, Lily has art class. She loves drawing and painting. Today, they are making pictures of their favorite animals. Lily draws a bright, colorful butterfly. After-school activities. School ends at 3 p.m. Lily walks home with Emma, and they part ways with a promise to play together later. At home, Lily does her homework at the kitchen table. Her mother helps her with the tricky math problems. After homework, it's time for some fun. Lily changes into her play clothes and goes outside to ride her bike. She meets up with Emma and a few other friends from the neighborhood. They play tag and invent new games until the sun starts to set. Evening routine. At 6:30 p.m., Lily comes home for dinner. Tonight, they are having spaghetti, her favorite meal. The family sits together, talking about their day and laughing at her dad's funny stories. After dinner, Lily helps her mom with the dishes. Then, she has some free time to read a book or watch a little TV. At 8 p.m., it's time to get ready for bed. She takes a bath, brushes her teeth, and changes into her pajamas. Her mom reads her a bedtime story, and soon Lily's eyes start to close. At the end of our video, remember this. Learning English is like going on a fun journey. Sometimes it might feel hard, but don't worry, making mistakes is okay. It helps us learn better. Just keep trying, stay curious, and never give up. Soon, you'll be speaking English like a pro. Thanks for learning with me. Until next time, keep practicing and keep smiling.